So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Game Guardian application and you can use it to hack any app of your choice. If you're a new viewer, hit the subscribe button and also like. So let's get started. I'm going to click on this search bar right over here, then click on this app, Game Guardian, to download it. After downloading it, I'm going to install it. Downloading it, I'm going to click on this second website right over here, then I'm going to click on download. It is going to download, then I'm going to install it. As you can see, it has been installed successfully, and this is it right over a Game Guardian. So I'm going to go back now. I'm going to show you a simple little trick in which you can use to get a rooted environment. If you have not watched the video, watch the video showing up above to go and watch how to root your Android device in a safe way. You're not going to lose your files or anything. So I'm going to show you how to do this right now. I'm going to go back right now, then click on this X8 sandbox, and I'm going to search for it. After searching for it, the first website, you need to click on it. Then after clicking on, this is the official website, then you can download it in one click by clicking this download button. No annoying advert, nothing. So after downloading it, you need to install. After installing it right here, you guys can see I've installed mine and I'm going to launch it. X8 sandbox. This is a rooted environment which creates a rooted environment for your phone and any app you want. If you put any app in it is going to show virtually, sorry, that the device is rooted. As you guys can see, it looks like a normal phone right here. I have all the applications I need. So if on your first installation, you need to click on this add app section, then click on the app you want to add. So I'm going to be using this let me just check the app I want to use to hack. Okay, let me add this hill climb racing application. After selecting the app right now, it is going to install. The app has installed successfully, so I don't need to watch an advert. So after doing that, I'll go back again to go and install the Game Guardian application, which I'm going to be using to hack this game we are using. So I'm going to go back right now, and then I'm going to install this Game Guardian. I made a mistake. So this is just a rooted environment. There's no you are not going to lose any file or anything. Click on this install anyway on safe. That was how I tip to the home button. Then it has installed successfully. So let me just wait till it create a reinstallation of itself and all that. So after doing that, I'm going to start the application Game Guardian right now. I'm going to click on this OK. After clicking on OK right now, it's going to bring the page up like this. After bringing the page up like this, you need to click on this start button. After clicking on start, you click on this hill climb racing right over here. You guys can see the Game Guardian icon. So I've reduced the sound so everybody can hear what I'm saying in this video. So I'm going to click on this start button right over here. So after clicking on it, you need to play a game and acquire some coins or gems. So you guys can see right now, I'm going to acquire it. After acquiring this 105 coins, as you guys can see right over here, I'm going to click on this Game Guardian icon, then click on this first one. Click on the game name, then click on this search. After searching, you guys need to know how many coins that you acquired. So I'm going to click on this 105, then click on new search. Click on D word, which is the second one. After clicking on it, it's going to search for it, and you guys can see it brought a lot of search results right down there. So I'm going to go back. After doing that, you need to click on resume again and acquire some coins. You guys can see you need to pause it again and see I have 215 coins right over there. I'm going to click on this Game Guardian icon again and click on 215. After clicking on 215, I'm going to search. So if it brings few keywords like this, as you guys can see, it brought only 3. So if it brings one also, you can do this. Click on this icon right over here. You input any amount you want it to change it to. I'm going to click on this unlimited 9 which is about a million, and I'm going to click on yes, and I'm going to cancel and click on resume. After doing that, you need to play and acquire some coins. You guys can see right over here I got about 100 million coins right over here. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So you guys can see right now I just changed 200 coins to 100 million coins. So I'm going to do it again by clicking on the start button, and I'm going to go forward a little bit. I don't really know how to play this game, so let me just click on this icon right over here and change this to 5. Click on this search bar, then click on that search icon, then click on this refine. You're going to search for, you guys can see it has found some 5. So I'm going to click on this cancel right now, then click on, I'm going to accelerate again, then I'm going to go and acquire some gem again so I can use it to. So you guys can see that it has changed to 6 right over here. I'm going to click on this Game Guardian. We are going to pause it and click on this Game Guardian icon, then click on this search. After clicking on search, you need to click on the 6 again, then click on search. You guys can see there's still a lot of keywords, and I'm going to go back again, then click on resume. I'm going to go and acquire one more gem again. You guys can see it is now 7. So I'm going to go back right now, click on this search, then change this to 7, then click on search. So you guys can see that's brought only one 7 right over here, which is the purple one showing right here. You guys can see. So I'm going to change it right now to 9999999. Let me add one more now. Then click on search. After clicking on search, that I'm going to click on cancel. Then I'm going to click on resume. So I need to be careful so I'm not going to crash the car right there. So after doing that, so you guys can see right now I crashed the car, but if I collected it, so you guys can see right over here I just collected. So you guys can see the gem has changed right over here because I crashed the car and the game stopped. Because if I collected that one more gem, it is going to actually change. But you guys can say I have 99999. So if you guys don't understand this tutorial, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to help you. I think that will be all for now. Bye for now, guys.